Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Kuwait Airways. First, open your browser, go to google.com, and search for Kuwait Airways Manage Booking. Click on the first link you see. This will take you straight to the Manage Booking page on their website. Once you're there, you'll be asked to choose your identification type. You can either use your booking reference number or your e-ticket number. Enter the number, type in your last name, and then click Retrieve Booking. After your booking loads, you'll see several options like updating passenger details, modifying seats, requesting upgrades, and yes, adding extra baggage. Click on the baggage option, select how much extra you need, and then proceed to payment. Once you pay, your extra baggage will be confirmed and linked to your booking automatically. And that's it. That's how to add extra baggage on Kuwait Airways. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.